Hey Tubies, we're back now. So the next task is going to be to get this car back on its wheels, clear the crap from underneath it, and then somehow pull it out from the wall, get it out the garage, spin it around, and get it back up against the wall again on the other side. Let's see the progress so far. So you've seen what I've done so far. I've got the suspension back together. That all went back well. There's our axle support post with the stabilising strut beam. That's all in. Underneath the car's a right mess. So my next stage is, I think, get all this stuff out from under the car, get the wheels back on, pumped up. That one seems to be quite good in that corner actually. Got some random motorcycle wheel over there in the corner. That was another old project that never happened as usual. Loads. It's not too bad actually. I've got all the carpets for the car under there stacked up. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. They're probably all rotted out now. Get the wheels back on, pump them up, and see how we're going to get on. Let's have a look at the rest of it. So that's the top side of the car. It uses a storage compartment. I've got a seat in there, a motorcycle stand, some box. That's old scrap metal in there. Old petrol can. I bought this die grinder. I managed to snap the spindle twice. I'll probably just lob it now because the replacement part's actually quite expensive. What we got going up there? Old motorcycle seat. I bought these headrests for the car. Stupid amount of money I paid for them in the end, only to find out they don't actually fit. Maybe I could just peddle them back on eBay eventually. They're the proper 2002 seat headrests, those. I probably might give them a clean up and flog them actually. I don't know what I'm going to do with the interior on this car. I'm get some nice seats in there I think, because I'd really want seats with headrests I think for safety. And these seats are pretty shot as well. I don't know if you can see that. All the stitch, they basically need re-upholstering. This could be an expensive project that. What we got going up here, we've actually, don't ask me how, but I managed to get the bonnet on the roof of this car. I don't even know how I did that. Heading towards the front, a mess of junk there. I've had a good clear up already, believe it or not. This does look tidy. operation is done. The car has been turned round. We have the finished side now, ready to be put up against the garage wall. What I did, I had 3 ways in place to get this car moved round. So basically what I did, and it worked on its own, was I bought a brand new battery and I just took the spark plugs out because the car won't start anyway. So there was no compression on the engine, and I basically just turned it on the key on the basically the starter motor did the work really. Just use a starter motor to turn the car around. I mean it's quite steep here on the rear axis bit. There's a bit of a ramp there. You probably can't see it on the picture. But other than the battery, if that didn't work, my second course was I've got a 12-volt winch there ready to go. It's got quite a long cable on it. So I was going to use that to tow it back in, but it's done. The car has now been turned round, ready to start on the second side, the other side. I've got 2 skateboard ramps, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the garage floor a quick sweep. I'm going to pop the 2 skateboards under these sides of the wheels, gets them out of the way as well. And then I'm going to push the car back up against the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. That's my little helper.